In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept payments on a Hostinger website step by step. If you're building an online store, selling services, or offering digital products, enabling payments is one of the most important things you need to set up. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple using its built-in website builder and e-commerce tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect a payment gateway, like PayPal or Stripe, so customers can start paying you directly from your website. If you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using the account that manages your website. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger dashboard where you can manage your hosting, domains, and websites. From here, locate the website where you want to accept payments. Next to that site, click on the option that says Websites, and then choose Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor. The Website Builder is where you can design pages, manage products, and configure your online store settings. Once the editor loads, look for the store or e-commerce settings in the Builder menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Store Settings, e-commerce, or something similar in the sidebar. Click on that section to open your store configuration options. Inside the store settings, you'll see multiple options related to managing your online shop, such as products, orders, shipping, and payments. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the Payments section. Click on Payments to open the Payment Gateway configuration page. This is where you'll connect the services that allow your website to accept money from customers. Hostinger supports several payment gateways, but the most commonly used ones are PayPal and Stripe. PayPal is great because many customers already have PayPal accounts and trust the platform. Stripe is also extremely popular and allows customers to pay using credit cards, debit cards, and other online payment methods. To start setting up payments, choose the payment gateway you want to use. For example, if you want to accept PayPal payments, click on the PayPal option. If you prefer credit card payments directly through Stripe, select Stripe instead. Once you choose your payment gateway, Hostinger will ask you to enter the required credentials for that payment provider. These credentials usually include information such as your PayPal account email address or your Stripe API keys. If you're using PayPal, simply enter the email address associated with your PayPal business account so the payments can be sent directly to you. If you're using Stripe, you'll need to copy your API keys from your Stripe dashboard and paste them into the fields provided in Hostinger. This step connects your website securely with the payment provider so transactions can be processed safely. Make sure you carefully paste the correct credentials because incorrect keys or account details can prevent payments from working properly. After entering the required information, look for the Save or Connect button and click it to apply your payment settings. Once saved, your Hostinger website will now be connected to the payment gateway you selected. At this point, customers visiting your site will be able to choose that payment method when they reach the checkout page. Before going live, it's a good idea to test your checkout process to make sure everything works correctly. You can do this by placing a test order or previewing your store checkout to confirm the payment option appears and processes properly. Testing ensures that your customers will have a smooth payment experience when purchasing from your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up a payment gateway and enabled payments on your Hostinger website. Now your visitors can securely pay for products, services, or digital items directly through your site. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Hostinger tutorials, website building guides, and online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.